guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back in again consistent video. And as you know that I always record my video for my daily consistency and I want to learn this language and I want to be a fluent in English language. So that's why I'm always try to record video and try to explain about here and there. First of all, I must say here I'm not recording my video. I'm not scripting my video always and uploading like the other people is doing in front of camera in front of on a YouTube channel. I just saw the raw data. I just giving you the raw data, means how the normal people learn this language, making lot of mistakes, learning from the mistake, and be fluent day by day. So it's my journey and it's a 365 days challenge, and I want to be a little bit example. If you really want to learn this language and if you're really dedicated to learn something, then you can learn it without doing much effort. So that's why I'm always suggesting you, if you really want to learn this language like me, I'm so confident right now, and I'm not saying I'm making not mistake. I'm making lot of mistake, but the thing is that I'm always trying my best, my heart to talk in English, because it's really a very giving me a lot of confidence that I'm making a lot of mistake and learning from the mistake. It's my job, it's my fascinating thing, and I'm learning day by day, and it's really a very good journey for me, and I have been doing for a year. But yeah, in front of not in front of, in the middle of the year, I broke some time consistency, but my motivation not broke down. My consistency broke down, my motivation not broke down, my perseverance, my dedication is not broke down. So I started again, and after 90 days, I completed my 90 days, and after that I broke the consistency for a 1 month because a lot of hurdles in my life. So that's why I just broke down. But I started again, and I just continuously doing that thing 155 65, I don't know. I'm not just focusing on that. I'm just focusing on my influency, my improvement, my the things really very improve me. So I'm only focusing on that, and really it's a very pleasure for me because I'm improving day by day. I feel the improvement, and it's not happened in a one day, in a one night. It's just happening day by day, gradually. So that is what you can learn, means something achievement. If you are achieving something, then it will not happen in a one day. It's take time, but you have to be consistent. You have to know, you don't have to give up in a one day, in a 1 month. It's take time. You have to be patient that time, and you can build your own empire day by day. So empire making is not making in a one day. Elon Musk, if I'm getting the example of Elon Musk, he not become a world number one richest person in a one day. It's take a lot of time, lot of preparation. So I am waiting for my preparation, I am waiting for my own time, and really it's very good for me, and I will achieve what I want to. And it's my really it's really a very it's a dream for me. I have also millions of subscribers, millions of supporter. I'm not saying subscribers, sorry for that, pardon me. It's a supporter, it's my family. So it's a dream of mine, and I will achieve that. It's my personal believeness. You can see that the believeness on my face, the confidence in my face, is just because of you all guys, and it's just because of my motivation, my perseverance. If I broke my consistency, tomorrow I will stand up again. I will do it something again on a YouTube channel, because it's my dedication, it's my perseverance. I have to achieve it in any circumstances. So you have to learn that thing. You have to just do something for your life, for your own pleasures. So that is very important, and really this language fascinates me a lot. So that's why I want to learn this language as soon as possible. And I don't have enough time in my whole day, so I am recording right now. It's 10:30 p.m. and it's 29th 29th of May. Yeah, the 29th of May today, and I am record 28 and 29. I'm not able to recall remember, but I, after that I will upload this video today in my today's section. So that is very important. I have a dedication. I did a lot of work in my whole day, and in the night I am recording my video. So that is what is really you have to improve. You have to get something that is very important for you, and that's why I am just suggesting you all, if you really want to learn something, then you have to be dedicated, you have to do something for your life. And one thing is more, you have to keep patience, you have to just grab the seat and tie the seat belt for the long time, because empire not built in a one day, it's take lot of time. So you have to keep in your mind that time you have to wait for the many days, many months, many years, and I am that waiting for it. And it's my believeness, by the god grace it will happen. I really pray for that. If I'm getting 0 views on my YouTube channel, that's very easy, that's not a big deal for me, but yeah, I have to be consistent. I just pray for my God, because I want the strength to upload 365 days videos on a YouTube channel. Let's see what will happen. But yeah, I try my best to upload videos. I try my best to gain something. So that's why I'm always trying my best. And in 159 or 54 video, 50 plus video, I am not able to recognize right now. In 50 plus video, 150 plus video, I learn many more things, many more grammatical rules, many more vocabularies with the help of only uploading you on a YouTube channel. I'm not learning any type of English grammar rules. I'm not learning any type of vocabularies, because it's not important for me, because I want to learn this language only. And I follow the rule which the children's follow, means how the children learn the simple language. He is doing nothing, he is just absorbing the environment and just try to talk. I'm making a lot of mistake and just learning from the mistake. So that is what I want to learn, that is what I want to get, means I am only learning from my mistake. And I want to make my own environment which help me a lot. Means I am uploading my video, I am recording my video, I am listening my videos, and I'm listening lot of videos on a YouTube channel. So I want to make, and also I'm making my own environment that is really give me a lot of benefit. So it's take time, I know that it's take time, it's taking a lot of time to learn this language and to be fluent. But yeah, I will do it, because it's a believeness, it's a perseverance, it's a self growth, it's a self pagalpan, you can say that. Yeah, I will learn this language in any circumstances. My vocal is totally dry today, because not right now, because I'm just saying the things loudly. But yeah, it's okay, because I want to learn something, I want to guide you here. And I'm only guiding you the way, because I am saying the one thing, I'm not a fluent English speaker, I'm a learner. So I want to guide something, I want to, I'm here to guide you the how can you stay on your own talk, how can you stay on your own points, you can learn something with you are just stuck on your own words. That is really important, and that is what I want to just giving you. Means you have to do it in any circumstances. You, if you are uploading your videos on a YouTube channel and it gets a 0 views like me, you don't have to just be demotivated, because right now it's a 0 views. But after some days, after some months, it's not a 0 views, I get a 0 views till my 90 videos, till my 100 plus videos there are 0 views. You can just imagine that how I feel that time. But yeah, one thing in my mind, I don't have to go with the views, I just have to just record video, upload video, that's it. I don't have to think about my views, my subscribers, my anything. But yeah, and I'm telling you, it's a 2 subscribers only. If I remembering that, only 2 subscribers, 100 plus videos and 2 subscribers, you can imagine that. Like, it's a very tough situation for me. But yeah, in my mind, not the views, not the YouTube channel, not the anything, just I have to learn this language. And right now I'm not doing anything for my views, I'm just doing my for my passion. Because the passion is that I have to be confident, I have to be perseverance, I have to be fluent in English, like how the people talking in India. That's it. I don't want to be like a people abroad. I just want to learn this language. How the normal people how the normal people is fluent without making a single mistakes. Means making mistake, but it's not so much mistake, and it's not look like a beginner. So that's why I'm telling you, it's very important for you to learn this language as soon as possible, because there are a lot of benefit to record videos, there are a lot of benefit to talk in English, and there are a lot of opportunity if you are recording video, uploading video and learning this language. So I'm always suggesting you, because this is the right time, this is the generation of online, all the things is online. So you have to come here in online, on a YouTube channel, on any social media platform, because it's very 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 important for you. And you have also a chance to become a popular. So it's very important, and I don't want to just to miss that chance. Whether I'm growing or not, I doesn't care about it, because uh, I don't feel that time, yeah, I'm not trying my best. I try my best to just give you the lessons, give you the examples, and just teach you how can you be fluent, how can you stuck on your words. So that is very important. So what you think about it, let me know in a comment section. And if I made any mistake in this video, let me know in a comment section, and please pardon me, because I am also a learner. I'm learning this language. And what you think about it, if I'm doing something wrong, right, tell me please, because you are all the people who improve me a lot. So that's for it. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.